Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make super quick, super simple, cheese only taco shells. Let's get started. Set your oven to 350 degrees, convection if you have it. Grab a large cookie sheet and line it with parchment paper. Grab your favorite Mexican-style shredded cheese. Place enough shredded cheese on the parchment paper to make two 6 to 8 inch diameter circles. Spread the cheese so it's about 1/8 to 1/4 inch high. Once oven has reached 350 degrees, place cookie sheet in the oven. Watch to monitor the melting process. Cheese should be golden brown about 8 to 13 minutes. When done to your liking, take out, let stand for a couple minutes to cool a bit before shaping into a taco shell. Use a taco holder if you have one and place the cheese shell inside the mold. Top should be the outside of your shell. If you don't have a taco holder, you can drape over a wooden spoon. Fill the taco shell with your favorite fillings. Hamburger, steak, or chicken is a great choice. Add some sour cream, pico, and cilantro. Hope you enjoyed these cheese taco shells. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.